It's actually not bad. It's good.
Of course, it's my cooking.
Hello, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Madonna's Kitchen. My name is Sharon Madonna. In today's episode, we are going to use the exact same ingredients we used in the previous episode, and we are going to make fried tomatoes and onion rings. So it's the moment of truth. Let's see if they taste as good as they look.
Yeah.
We are going to begin with the onion rings here. Thoughts?
It tastes like cheese and onion chips. Because
Okay.
of the onion inside. Yeah, it's nice.
Alright. And now let's begin with the fried tomatoes.
Yeah. I thought this would taste funny. Let me taste.
Okay.
Yeah. It's actually not bad. It's good.
Of course, it's my cooking.
Really?
So yeah, you can serve this at the side of your breakfast or just snacks. You snack with them during the day. If you like weird food combination, sorry, you can do it with chocolate.
What?
Dips. Yeah, if you like weird, I said weird. That's it. Heavenly.
Are you
This
serious?
is heaven.
I can't
It
imagine that.
is. It is. With the onion. Amazing. Go for this, you guys. Anyway, I used the ingredients that I used in the previous episode because I did not want to get rid of any ingredients.
Yeah.
Do not throw your ingredients, use them. So that's it until the next episode. Goodbye.
Bye.